Here's a look at the Fayville Dam, which for the most part has not seen this kind of water since 1955. Just to give you a sense of how much water this reservoir holds back, normally water is released below the dam in a small hole and then it goes down the spillway. But not since 1955 has there been this volume of water coming down the dam. As you can see, the dam is at capacity, and the spillway, which is normally a very, very narrow channel, has far exceeded its banks and running over the side. So the people are certainly in a world of hurt that are further downstream of this. This is Cliff LaCourciere reporting to you live from the Fayville Dam. And if you believe that last comment, then you better pack up and leave Margaritaville and go home.